Okay, I'll go to the SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management. Under that, we have to go to the master data and storage type. Just okay, I'll just consider my storage type 1100. What is the storage type available? Okay, ST01. Let us consider this. So here we have the different rules. Okay, these are the different rules. But you need not to remember this. Okay, 2, 3, and all. They're not going to ask in the interview all these things. They'll just ask about these things. But in some cases, okay, whenever you are uploading the bin, yesterday I have given one interview. There they are asking about the serial numbers. Okay, if the material are having the serial number and you are uploading the material, how you will going to upload the serial number of that materials, like that he was asking. Okay, I was knowing that they are going to use the item category. In the item category I have shown, right? So in the later stage also you will going to see it, but I'm just show you now also. Here we have to go to the logistics, and it is not related to this topic. Okay, this is some different topic. Earlier I have done this uploading up of the bin. Okay, so here I have done the uploading up of the bin, but this is for the uploading up of the products. Okay, this is not yet done. We'll be taking care of this in the later stage. Okay, here we have to go to the settings. Under the settings, not settings, interfaces. Okay, here data upload is there. No, we're going to use the ISC for the stock data transfer. Okay, so within this we're going to get some item category. Here see, the template is available for the bin upload. If you are checking the bin upload, no, we have seen this one, SBUP, correct? Yes. If you check this, you can see the template over here at the downside. Okay, but here we are not getting any template for the ISU. Okay, how to get the template and all, I'm going to tell you. Okay, there he has asked me the question about how we're going to upload the products which are having the serial numbers. Okay, so there we're going to get the item category. There you have to remember these numbers. Okay, these numbers are important there. Okay, whatever the numbers are available, no, these numbers are important there. Okay, but here it is not important. Only if you are just telling this, that is enough. Okay, every time you cannot remember these numbers. So here you can see this is the transit warehouse, the staging area for door. Okay, so I'll just change it. Staging area at door. Okay, so these are the 5 put away rules which are available. Okay, we have discussed about the addition to existing stock, because what we have done, brought some three stocks in the bin, and later on we have brought few more stocks. So it was taking, okay, 2 stocks it can able to accommodate here, because it is having the 10 kg capacity and one material is having 2 kgs. Okay, one material is having 2 kgs, so that we can able to accommodate another 2 quantities here. Then whatever the 3 remaining quantities are there, it will go to the next bin, like that. Okay, so that is what the addition to existing stock is all about. Next is the next empty bin. Okay, if the bins are available like this, here we can able to put some material. Okay, here also I can able to put 2 materials. Here I can able to put 3 materials, but the system will not going to consider these 2 bins, because it is asking for the next empty bin only. Whenever you are bringing some bananas and all, okay, fruits, okay, that time you don't want to mix it with the old stock, correct? No, so that time only we're going to use the next empty bin concepts. Okay, so many others are there, but I'm just telling one example. Okay, so general means the staging area groups. Okay, I'll just open the staging area group. For us also, we have created the staging area, right? GR area and GI area. Open the GR area. Here you can see we have maintained the general storage. Okay, general storage area. General means we will going to store any number of material, and there is makes actually the will be stacked in one particular order, but we don't have the proper arrangement here. Okay, there is no bin and nothing will going to maintain, only sections are there. Okay, one bin, entire area will going to consider as one bin, and will going to store the products there. That's it. Okay, that is the general storage area. And okay, actually most of the people nowadays they are considering after the if the area is very small, no, they are considering storeroom management. Okay, any idea about storeroom management for you? SRM.
That is being used in separate entity, right?
Yes, pardon. That is
Being used as a separate entity,
yeah.
right?
This is
Like
completely a
that is
different module only actually, but very simple module. Okay, just like a WM, but it is not having the complete flexibility as of for WM also. Okay, so there they'll going to use like one room is there means they're going to assign again different bins will be there within the room, and they'll going to assign a particular there also will going to get very simple concepts are there in the SRM. Okay, but very few people are moving to that. Most of the people who are shifting from the WM, they are shifting to EWM only. Okay, but maybe by 2025 you may get the very big opportunities in EWM to my guess. Okay, so next is the okay, we have discussed okay, consolidation group I was discussing. Okay, what do you mean by consolidation group? I'll just give the idea about this, but in the outbound delivery we're going to use the consolidation group. We can use it in so many ways. Okay, it is not only in one way you will going to use it. Okay, what do you mean by consolidation group? See, consolidation group is nothing but logical grouping up of the products. Okay, logical grouping means see, what do you mean by activity area?
so. What are the activities we are going to perform? Whether it is packing or it is goods receipt area or goods issue area.
Okay. If it is a, see, activity area, exactly combination of bins you said no. It is logical grouping up of the bins. Okay, you have to tell this in the interview. Logical grouping up of the bins. I have told this. Okay, activity area is nothing but logical grouping. We are not imaginarily we are grouping the bins. Okay, that may change anytime. We can change them anytime. Okay, but what we are doing, we are creating the activity area based upon the storage types. We are generating it. You know that, right? So what we are doing, the entire storage type we are considering as one activity area. Correct? No. So in that particular activity area, so many different around 8 activities will going to take place. Like physical inventory might be there, replenishment might be there, put away, picking. Okay, all these things will be taking place within the same activity area. Like that, if you have not assigned the activity, means not maintain the activity area for the put away, you cannot able to do the put away only because that day it has given some errors. Correct? No, while doing the put away, we have created the activity area and we have came we completed our put away. Remember it, right? Okay, so that is why that is one important thing. But consolidation group is nothing but the logical grouping of products. Okay, here what we are doing whenever you are see here also we can take in entire one activity area or else in entire one particular storage type, whatever the products are there, we will going to consider them in one particular consolidation group. Okay, that also I can able to do. But it most probably will going to helpful for the outbound delivery because whenever you are getting the outbound delivery, right, that will going to generate some outbound delivery order items. Okay, these items we need to group them together. How we will going to group them? We will going to group based upon the wave also it is possible, or else the consolidation group it will going to help us to okay, this will going to come in the pack specs. Okay, packaging specification there also it will going to come, or else packaging profile will be there also will going to get the consolidation group. What it will going to do, what are the different materials we have to store into one particular HU or we have to pack into one particular HU, like that it will going to tell us. Okay, so but most of the time this consolidation group, as I said, okay, for activity area we're going to pull it. For where we're going to do this, whenever we are doing the rule based POC, that time I'll going to tell about this. Okay, but right now it is not required for us. Okay, so you just remember this is logical grouping up of the products. Okay, important thing. Okay, so next thing what we are doing is, and we have discussed about the strategies. Okay, any doubts in the strategies? If you have any doubts, please do ask. Okay, then we're going to move further. Okay, so next is what we're going to do. will be taking the storage section check and bin type determination. Okay, these are the again two different strategies which are means, as I said, the put away strategies in what is that at the put away in EWM, it will going to happen in three different types. Okay, one is the storage type level, storage section level, and at the bin determination level, right? So we have just seen the storage type level, means at the higher end we have seen, we have like ST01, 1 minute, we have ST01 storage type, and the second storage type is, write it here, we have ST02 as the second storage type, ST03 as the third storage type. Let us consider, or else we have considering only for one product. Okay, for mat 1 we have storage type 1 and storage type 2. If the storage type 1 is not empty, the bins in the storage type 1 are not empty, then the product is moving to the storage type 2. You have observed that, correct? No, or else we haven't checked it, I think. So what I will do, I will going to block all the bins. Okay, then we will going to check this, what it will going to happen like that. Okay, it will going to move, but I have to show that, right? /n/scwm /mon. Okay, in the monitor we will going to do this 1100 SAP. Okay, we have to go to the storage bin. You just provide the ST01. I will going to block all the bins. Okay, here I am going to block all the bins. Let us consider now one inbound delivery I am going to create first. Okay, /n real 31n. This is my inbound delivery. In this both the materials are involved. Okay, so I'll just give this. This is the storage type search sequence only. Okay, I'll say some 05. Okay, I'll take only one line item. Okay, second line item it is not required. We can say we can just do it with one line item also. That is not a problem. Okay, I'll say yes. See, now I'm just bringing some 5 materials. Let us consider. Okay, save this. I'm bringing just some 5 materials. One inbound delivery got created 2871. I will go to the PRDI screen. So here I will just give the inbound delivery number and execute. Okay, only one line item will be there because we have deleted another line item. Okay, it is having 1010 as the what is that, Veros process type. Okay, Veros process type is 1010, and you can observe stock type will be F1. See, 1010 is the Veros process type and F1 is the stock type. Okay, so and what is the optimization we have done and all, you can check it over here. Okay, again I'm going to show it how the strategy is built. I'm just showing it. Okay, SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management. Here goods receipt process. Under that we have to go to the strategies. Here storage type search. Under that I'll just go to the specify. Okay, how we have specified, we're going to check it. Okay, for 1100 warehouse, we have defined based upon the stock. That is first thing. Second thing, how I have defined, see, put 1 and 1010 is there, means then that has to find the sequence 1. Put 2 and put 2 F010 is there, means it has to find the sequence 2. I have to check whether I have maintained the put 1 in material master or not. Correct. I'll just open the material master here. What is the decode to material master?
So in EWM or
yeah, EWM only. We have to say, check in the, or else we can say product master. You are right.
Yep.
CWM mat 1.
Yes. Okay. So you just remember this in front of whatever mat 1 is there. No, you just remember this. This is a common one. SCWM. Okay. Just open this mat 1. I'm just opening 1100 mat 1. So I'll say display or change also. Okay. I'm not changing anything. I am just checking. Okay, put 1 is maintained or not. See, put 1 is maintained. So that is why it is considering. If put 1 is there and 1010 is there, then only it is finding the sequence 1, or else no. Okay. So it is work. It will going to work for sure now. Okay. So like that we can analyze. Now I'll go to the inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task. Okay, when I'm going to say create, okay, it is creating and it is taking some st0 bin. Okay, now I don't want to keep any bins. Okay, there are no bins available in the no empty bins are available in the storage type one. Let us consider like that. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just go back. I'm not going to save this. So in the monitor, I am just giving the what is that put away this one block. Okay, here go to the more method. This is more methods option. Okay, go to the more methods here. Here you can see block for removal is there, block for put away is there. I am going to block everything for put away. Okay, all these bins are blocked for the put away now. Okay, just go back. Okay, now again try it. Okay, in sequence one, what I have given? I have given two different storage types here. I'll just go back. Here, assign storage type to search sequence is there, no? Just execute this. Okay, 1100. What I have given here, see, if it is SCQ1, first preference or sequence one, it will give to the ST01 storage type. There is no bins are available means second sequence is ST02 only. Correct, no? Any doubts here? Hello? Yeah, okay. Sequence one, we are searching over there. In the specify, we have seen that sequence one is there. First sequence I have given for the ST01, second sequence I am giving for the ST02. So, if ST01 bins are not empty, means bins are not at all empty, then it should go to the ST02. I have blocked everything for the put away. Now it should take ST02. We'll check whether it will going to take or not. Follow on functions, warehouse task. Okay, here just say create. You can see ST02 here. Got the idea? Got the concept? Okay. So what we have see here, nowhere you can able to see the section because for the entire storage types, I have not yet given the section only. Earlier I have created, but when I created the new one, no, I have not created the sections. Sections are available, but I have not given them. Okay. So what I do?
When you are creating the bin, that time you are not taken. Section you are not taken.
Yes, I'll just show. I'll just show that bin types. When I am maintaining the bin types, no, that time I do not consider the section. Here, in the master data, you have to go to the storage bins. Okay, while creating the bin types, okay, there is a characteristic of the bin, right? So if you open one bin type, BT01, oh, sorry, not bin type, okay. Whenever we are creating the structure of this bin, okay, in the structure, we have not considered this, okay. Define bin structure. 1100 here BT01 bin structure is there. Here at the downside, we have to give the storage section under in which storage section the bin type is there. We have not given, right? And the here also we have not assigned any storage sections for this. Where we can assign this? Any idea? If I'm not assigning over here, where we can able to assign this?
When we are creating the bin.
Yeah, but we are creating the bin through the structure, right?
Yes.
Then individually we cannot able to assign it. Where we can do the changes now.
There is a node above that storage section.
Pardon?
There is another node below storage type.
What is that? Below storage type? Here?
No,
No, we are creating the storage section here. Okay. Assignment is not possible from here. We are just creating. I have created two storage sections for my side. I'll just show that. 1 minute.
Through mass bin upload, we can change the mass bin.
Sound is not there. Okay. Yeah, I have created the storage section for ST01 section 1 section 2, ST02 section 1 section 2, like that I have created, but assignment is not possible here. You have seen so many times where we can able to do it. I'll just tell you, in the LS11 you can able to do it, correct? No mass change.
Yes, mass change. Yeah.
Okay, don't forget the basics. Okay, so here if I'm taking ST01, okay, storage type, I'll take ST01 here, storage type, execute this. Okay, if you are assigning, okay, I just want to assign all the storage section 1 for the entire thing means what you have to do, just select everything, go to the storage section bin, change storage bins, and here you have to give the storage section. Which section it will go, you will go, give no, that section it will going to take here. Okay, so I'll just give section 1, let us consider that it will going to take here. See, all the storage section check, it is done. Section it is given here. Okay, and one more thing. Let us consider I don't want to give the section like this. I want to give the section for few bins. I want to give the section 1, and for few bins I want to give the section 2. That also you can able to see. You just have to analyze what is the we have to check the what is the structure first. Okay, if you know the structure, no, then you can understand. Okay, these many bins are there, and until what structure I want to give the section 1, and until after the what bins I have to give the section 2, like that you can analyze. Okay, you just give the start point and the end point, and give the section. That is also will going to work. Okay, so it is on your call. However you want, you can able to do that. For storage type 1, I have given the section 1. Okay, let us consider there the storage type 2 is there. For this entirely, I'm going to give the section 2. Okay, I'm going to give the section 2. Just assign it. Okay, I will save. Go back. I'll just check for the storage type 1 whether it is assigned or not. Yeah, it is not assigned. See, some error came no that time. So think
It was assigned, but it was not saved. If I'm right.
saved. Yes, you are right. Okay, now it is saved. Correct. Okay, I have assigned the section 1 and section 2 for here. Okay, so now what I will do, if I am bringing the material, okay, let us consider I'm going to bring the material. Anyway, you already know that in storage type 1, all the bins we have made it put away block. Correct. We have blocked the block for the put away. And now we're going to take the material in storage type 2. Storage type 2, you have seen that section assigned is which one? What section I have assigned over there? For the storage type 2. Just now we have assigned, right?
Yeah, section 2, right?
Yeah, that's what, right? So we have assigned section 2 in the storage type 2. If I am bringing the material, okay, whether it will go to the storage type 2 or not.
It will search for the sequence.
Huh?
And if it is
ST01 is already
ST01.
blocked, so we'll go.
It will go to ST02.
Okay, but section is 2 over there. Whether it will go? It is not the section 1.
Yeah, if we have blocked ST01, it will go for ST02.
No, that is correct. You are right. Okay, it will go to the ST02, but now we are blocked, means we have assigned section 1 in ST01, section 2 in ST02. Whether if the section 2 is also there, whether the materials will go to the ST02 or not.
Yeah, it will go.
Definitely. Okay. As of now, we are just done the storage type search. Just remember this. Okay. We have not yet gone through the storage section search yet. Okay. It is just identifying the storage type. Okay. This storage type is not there and the storage type is there. I'll just go. Whatever the section it might be, it will not going to consider anything. Okay. Understood the concept? Yes. Now we are going to deal with the storage section search. Okay, so we are going to see the different topic, that is the storage section search. Okay, any doubts here? Okay, see, I am bringing this material now. Okay, go to the delivery, follow-on functions, warehouse task, the same one. I have blocked all the ST01 bins. Now, if I'm saying create, it will go to the ST02. Okay, it is not just checking the storage section. What is the section is there? It is not going to think all of that. Okay, it will just search the storage type 2. It will move. That's it. Okay, so now I'll not going to what is that? Save this. I'll just come back. Now you have seen it is going to the storage section 2. I'll going to remove the block also. First, I'll going to remove the block and I'll going to create the storage section search. Then we'll going to again assign the block. Okay. First, I'm going to remove the block first.
So we may receive support queries like I'm trying to move this stock to specific section, but I'm not able to perform.
Definitely, you will going to get some things like that. Okay.
Like hierarchy wise, we are changing the stock no?
Hierarchy wise, we are changing the stock.
Like the storage type, after that the storage section level I am blocking. And
that is
after
what.
that bin type we are
Correct.
blocking.
We are going little in depth. Okay, now. Okay, we have just seen at the storage type level. Now we are going under the storage section level. Okay, I'll just saved it. Okay, now we'll go to the yes.
Is there any another way like to block section and bins?
Huh? Under way?
Means you are using monitor, right?
Yes.
Is there any another way?
Yeah. We have shown no, like if you are opening this, okay, one individual bin. Okay. Here also you can just say at the downside. Okay, if you go to the downside, here you have hang the put away block and remove block. Okay, if you go to the edit now, you can able to do this. Okay, where is the edit option? Okay, go to the ls02. Okay, so I'll just consider this. I'll copy this. Go to the /scwm/ls02. Okay, if they are individual bins, then it is good. Okay, I'll go to. Okay, here edit option is there. Just go down here. You can see the set put away block and set stock removal block is there. If you are putting this, then it will going to block. Okay, here also you can do that. Okay, now.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So now we will go to the next topic, that is storage section search. Okay. Storage section search. So in the storage section search, what will going to come across here? We have to go to the strategies again. Okay. And just minimize this. Go to the strategies here. Under the strategies, we have just seen the storage type search. Okay. See, storage section search means it is nothing but sequentially searching up of the storage sections. It is nothing but sequentially searching up of the storage sections. Let us consider if two storage types are there. Okay, we have the ST01 and ST02, and these two are having section 1 and section 2. Let us consider like that. Okay, or else storage type 1 is having only the section 1. Storage type 2 is having, means just now we have assigned storage type 2 is having only section 2, like that we have assigned, but it might be having section 1 and section 2 within that. Okay, if we do the search sequence based upon the storage section, no, first what we will going to do, first system will going to search for the storage section. Okay, first it will going to search for however we'll going to provide. Okay, first I will say first it has to fill all the section 1, then it has to go to the section 2. I'll just show in the example. See, this is one storage type for me. This is one storage type for me. Okay. Don't just consider the sections are done like this only. Okay. However, I am doing it now. They are done like this only. Okay. But you can able to define the sections however you want. Okay. So sections might be like this also, sections you can able to do. Okay. So these are some different sections like that you can do. Okay. I am just taking some example. Okay. I'm just taking. Let us consider. Okay. Here, this is one section for me. Okay, this is the under section. Okay, this is section 1. This is section 2. Let us consider. Okay. Now, whatever the material I'm bringing now, this is storage type 1. Whatever the material I'm bringing, first it has to go, means it will search for the storage section, which section they have assigned like that. Okay. So if no bins are empty here, okay, this one I'll going to give the sequence 1, and for this I'll going to give the sequence 2. Okay. First it will going to search for the sequence 1, whether any bins are empty over in the section 1. If no bins are empty in the section 1, then it will directly go to the section 2 and it will going to store the products. Okay. If no bins are empty in the store section 2, then it will going to throw an error. Okay. So the put away is not determined like that. Okay. So this is how it will going to show us. Okay. So you can able to do the section something like this also. Okay. Don't just consider like that. It is just for example. Okay. If this is the bin, then we might be having the storage section something like this. Okay. Okay. This is ST02. Let us consider. Within that, again, we have the section 1 and section 2. For section 1, I have, or else for section 2, if you are giving the first priority, and section 1, if you are giving the second priority, that also you can able to take. Okay. How we'll going to manage it and all we'll going to say. Okay. What will going to happen? First, okay, anyway, you know that storage type search is already done. Okay. First, it will going to search for the storage type. Once it is enter into the storage type, system will going to search for the storage section now. Okay. It is if the in the material, okay, we'll going to, in the product master, we'll going to provide the storage section and all. If the section 1 is empty, okay, if some bins are empty, then it will going to search for the section 1 and you're going to put the materials. If in section 1 there is no empty bins it is finding, then it will go to the sequence 2, then it will going to search the bins in the section 2, then it will going to store the material. Okay. So here put away strategy is now for the storage section. We will be having at 2 levels. Okay. We are having the storage section search. Here I have, okay. Here I'll write. Okay. The storage section search at 2 levels. Okay. For the storage section search. One is at the warehouse level, and second is at, first one is at warehouse level, second one is at storage type level. Both the things we're going to do it in the product master only. Okay. Product master. Both the things, okay, we're going to do it in the product master. Where we're going to assign and all, no, we're going to assign it in the product master only, but we are having the storage section search in the 2 levels. Okay. One is at the warehouse data level. Sorry, it is warehouse level, means warehouse data level. Second is the storage type data level. Okay. Storage type level. See, here, if you are maintaining the warehouse level means, okay, if you are maintaining it at the warehouse level means, it is applicable for all the different storage types which are involved within that warehouse. Understand the concept? If you are maintaining at warehouse level means, okay, it is applicable for all the different storage types which are available within this warehouse. See, under our warehouse, okay, 1100, if I am maintaining the storage section search at the warehouse level, how we're going to maintain at the warehouse level and the storage type level, I'm going to show you. Okay. But if I'm maintaining it at the warehouse level, it will be applicable for ST01, ST02, ST03, and ST04. Okay. We are having these 4 storage types. Am I right? This is whatever the rule I'm going to put it here, it will be applicable for all the storage types. But, okay, with one condition, but we have to, okay, we have to maintain the section indicator in the storage type level. At every storage type level, we'll be having one section indicator. That one we have to maintain. Where we are having. I'll go to some storage section here. 1 minute. I'll open under SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management. Go to the master data. Here, storage section. Okay. Sorry. Go to the 1100 ST01. See, if you go downside here, storage sections check is there. Okay, we have already defined about the storage section check for you people, but again, I'm going to take this activity. First thing, if it is blank, then it is a no storage section determination or check. Means we are not determining based upon the storage section like that we are giving. If it is X, okay, the storage section determination is there as well as check is there, okay. Then if this will going to takes place, then only the material will going to store into particular section, okay, or else it will going to throw an error while put away. If I am putting the Y, storage section determination is there, but no check, okay. See, we have done the storage section determination, but we are not telling here only it should move the product, okay. We are giving some what is that some flexibility over there, okay. So this is how they have explained three different things here, okay. It will going to help us to put the material into particular storage section, okay. As of now, there is no storage section search over here, okay. So if you are maintaining, okay, at the warehouse level, this storage section search at the warehouse level, okay, warehouse data level, where you will going to see it, just open the product master, go to the change, okay. Here warehouse data level, here also you will be having the storage section search. See, storage section indicator we have to assign here, then it will going to take the storage section search, okay. And one is at the warehouse data level, another is at the storage type data level, okay. Here also you can able to maintain the storage section indicator, okay. This is that is what I have mentioned. Will going to maintain at two levels. One is the warehouse data level, second is storage type data level. If you are maintaining at the warehouse data level, it will be applicable for all the storage types which are inside this warehouse, okay. But with one condition, that we have to maintain the section check indicator in the storage type, okay. Here in the storage type, you have to maintain the section check, okay. That is one thing. Second thing is, we have seen that second is a storage type level. What we'll going to do in the product master, we'll going to maintain product master. Here is a product master. We will going to maintain at the storage type data level here only. So individual storage type it will be considering, okay. It is not going to consider for all the storage type. Individual storage type it is considering. I'll going to mention, okay, if this is a storage type and this is the indicator, like that I'll going to maintain. So in that time, it will not going to consider for the all the warehouse types, okay. Sorry, storage types. It was only considering for the individual storage types, okay. How we'll going to do it, and I'm going to see it. But any doubts here? And at this particular stage now, if you are maintaining at the storage type data level, that storage type, storage section search indicator is there now. If you are not maintaining at the storage type also, it is okay for us. Got the idea?
Sri,
Yes.
Storage section indicator here, if you are mentioning, by default that will go to that will search for the storage type, and under storage type, whatever storage section indicator which we have provided, that will be automatically picking over here.
Exactly.
How about this fix?
Yes.
How about this fix? Fix one is there, right? Check
Fix.
box.
Okay. How about this fix? Okay. Means I am saying this is the means I'll going to fix this particular indicator, okay. Means I cannot able to change the indicator. See here, if I am going to say preferred storage section indicator, this is the preferred one. Whenever I'll going to take section indicator, I'll going to define some section indicator 2, 3 also. But if I am giving one storage, see here you can able to define any number of storage section search, okay. I'll going to give storage type 1, storage section 1 is there. Storage type 2, storage section 2 is there. Like that I'm defining storage type 1, storage section 1. I'll going to define now. I'll going to fix it, means it is preferred is this one. Okay, preferred, whatever the preferred is this one. If any others are there, then it will not going to consider that time. Okay, if any other section search you are doing now for the storage type 1, it will not going to consider. Only this one it will going to take. Got the idea?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sri,
Yeah.
if we are not putting storage type here and only putting storage section indicator, then it will be applicable for all, right?
Yeah, it is at the warehouse data level, we have to maintain it. Okay, but in the individual storage type, you have to maintain the storage section search. That check is there, no? How to maintain that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So what I'll do, first I'll going to take it at the warehouse data level. Okay, first we're going to check warehouse data level. We're going to do it. Before that, we have to create the indicators for us, right? We're going to see what is there in the storage section search. Okay. Just execute this. Okay, sorry, go inside the storage section search. Here, see, create storage section indicator. This is the first node. Okay, just execute this. I want to create the storage section indicator now. Okay, it is already created. I'll just delete them. We are also creating the same, but just delete. Okay, from the first, we're going to go.
Indirectly, we can say like section level and storage type level, we have the search study.
Yeah, yes, that is what storage type level you have already have it. Now we are
Yes,
going one step
section level. Yeah.
inside. Once the person will go into the storage type, okay, one particular he'll going to stand in front of one particular storage type. That time he'll be searching for the section now.
Yeah, but you are saying now in two level, warehouse level and storage section level. That terminology we can say like section level and storage type level indirectly. We can say.
No. In the storage section level only, it is of two types. I said it will going to search the bins, sections based upon two different levels. One is the warehouse data level, and the storage type level. Warehouse data level means entire warehouse, whatever the storage types are involving, it will going to applicable for everything.
But here also we are searching the section first of all. Section check is there. Then
No, first we'll be searching the storage type only, bro. After that, we'll come for the section.
okay.
First, it will going to search for the storage type. Okay, that one we have defined already. Now it will going to come for the sections. See how it will going to happen. No, if I'm bringing one material, let us consider. Once I'll going to do the storage section now. Okay, that time I'll going to bring the mat one. You know that mat one we have assigned the put one as the put away control indicator, right? And for this 1010 is the warehouse process type. Am I right?
Yes.
If these two combinations are there, then it will going to search for the sequence one. Okay, under sequence one, we have the ST01 and ST02. These two storage types are available in sequence one. Am I right?
Correct.
Okay, so this is first part. Okay, first it will going to, if I'm bringing some material one, it will going to, based upon these two things, it will going to search the sequence one. In the sequence one, ST01 is there and ST02 is there. Like that, it will going to stop there. It will go to the ST01. Let us consider. Now it has to search for the sections. Okay, how we are going to define the sections? That one I am going to do it now here. Okay, now we have not yet defined it. Okay, I am just doing it now. First, we're going to define it at the warehouse data level. What I'll do? I will go to the, see, again, I'll going to show the path. SCM EWM here. After that, extended warehouse management. Under that, goods receipt process. Under the strategies. Under the strategies, storage section, search. Okay. Here, create storage section indicator is there. Okay. I'll just execute this. Say new entries. Okay. My warehouse is 1100. Section indicator I am defining. I1 section indicator 1. Okay. This is section indicator 1. Next 1100 SSI2 I'll going to define, that is section indicator 2. Okay, I'll just define this, just save this. I have defined only two section indicators. Okay, for section 1 and section 2, because I have only section 1, section 2 in my case. So I'm going to define these two. Okay. Next, what I will do, go back. Next is maintain storage section search sequence. Okay, here search sequence we have to maintain. Just go here, maintain storage section search. Okay. Here for 1100, some things are already maintained. Just delete them. Delete them. Okay, save it first. See how I will going to give. Okay, here we have the what is that storage type. Okay, under this is the warehouse number, this is the storage type. Under that, we'll be having the sections. Okay, like that, we're going to define. Okay, see, I'll just show one thing example. My warehouse is what 1100. Under that, I'm going to define for the ST01. Let us consider for ST01. Storage type indicator SSI1 is there, means it has to go to the section 1. It will go only to the section 1 now. Okay, just go to the next. What I will do, 1100 storage type ST02 I'll give, and the section indicator SSI2 I'll give, then section 2 it will go. Okay, see, I have given section. Save. Okay, see what I have given. If you are checking in LS11, okay, where is the LS11? Okay, I will just open this LS11. ST01. Which section you have assigned to ST01? Section 1 we have assigned here. See, correct? And what I have given the what is that criteria here? I'll just go back. If ST01, if it is going to the ST01 product, then it will going to take the section 1, sorry, section indicator 1, then section 1 only it will going to consider. Getting the idea? Only section 1 in the ST01, if the section 1 is there, then only the material going to place over there, or else no. Getting the concept? We will going to change this, but as of now, I have you got means understand the concept here. What I'm giving ST0. See, we know that how it is going to find the ST0 and ST02. Okay, we have already discussed that. Okay, based on the storage type. But now we are going to the section level. I have created one indicator, that is section indicator 1. If we are having the ST01 storage type, under this SSI1 storage section is there, no? Then it will going to go for the section 1 only. There is no section means there is, I am not sending it to any section 2 or section 3, anything. Okay, if SSIN is there, that is the only thing. Section 1 only it should going to pick. Like that I have defined. Later I am going to change and I'll show you. Are you clear with this?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just save this part. Okay, go back, and here section check is there, storage section check. If you are going here, no, here it will going to take you to the storage type only. Okay, but we can able to maintain it there also and here also, not an issue. Okay, we're going to maintain it there only, but first we have to maintain this. Okay, open the product master. This is let it be. I'm going to open the product master now. Wherever you are not getting the concept, please do ask me again. Okay, we'll discuss and move further. Why it is not opening? Okay. Yeah, it opened. It's okay. Okay, I'll go to the mat 1 here. Okay, and here I'm going to change only for mat 1. I'm going to define. Okay, so go to the warehouse data. Here at the downside, you have the storage section indicator SSI1. Okay, I'm going to give the SSI1 over here and save this. Means what? If the product is having SSI1, means it will going to search only the section 1. There is no section 2 option at all. That is what I have given here, right? See, if you go and check here, how I have maintained it, storage section search. See, if it is 1100, if it is going to the ST01, it is involving with the SSI1, and it will going to search for section 1 only. Okay, if it is ST02 storage type 2, then I'll going to assign SSI2, means it will going to search for section 2 only. Okay, then it will not going to search for any other sections. Getting the concept? Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Okay. So once we're going to execute now, then you may understand the concept. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll going to see now I'll going to do this inbound delivery. Let us consider I am doing this inbound delivery. And where I have maintained it at a warehouse data level. Okay. Warehouse data level, I have maintained it. What condition I have given if I'm maintaining at the warehouse data level? What condition I have given? It should, okay, we should tick the, if I am maintaining at the warehouse data level, then we should tick the storage section check in the storage type I have mentioned, correct? No, earlier.
Nice.
But now I am not maintaining that storage section search. Okay, that check I am not maintaining it. We'll just see what will going to happen. Go to the inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task. If I say create, no, if I say create, it will just create and it will going to search for the section 1 or 2, anything it will going to search. It is just putting in the section 1. Okay, means I have not defined. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll going to block all the bins. Okay, I'm going to block all the bins in the section 1. Okay, or else I'll going to remove all the section 1. Just observe here, change storage bins. I'll say reset storage sections, just execute. Section 1 is not there here. Okay, just save it here. Section 1 is not there in the ST01. Oh, sorry, it is already processing now, so that it is not going to take 1 minute. I'll just come out of that because it is already processing. Okay, so that is why it is not taking. Only for that particular bin it is said. Okay, anyway, I'm going to come out of that. Okay, it was taking that. Now what I'll do, I'll just change storage sections. I'll say reset storage sections and execute. Okay, sections are already gone. All the sections I'm going to delete like that. I'm saying. Okay, 120 it is happened. Now again I'm going to bring it now. Okay, follow on functions, warehouse task. Okay, I'll say create here. Okay, I'll say create. What I have done, I have given the storage section, but if there is no section also, still the material is going, because I have maintained it at the warehouse data level in the product master, but I have not maintained the storage section check in the storage type level. Okay, so I'll just open up one storage type level for you. Storage section, I have to open that. Master data, storage type. Okay, 1100. Here ST0 I am opening. Here see section check I have not maintained. I'll going to maintain the section check now. Okay, just save it. We'll see what will going to happen now. Okay, I have maintained the section check now. Go to the PR, sorry, what is that? Wherever we are processing now, just go back. It was taking earlier. Now I'll just go back. And I have not maintained any section. Okay, I have not maintained any section in the ST01. Okay, I have removed every section. Just go to the warehouse task. Try to create it now. Okay, try to create it now. See, and if I go downside, it is going for the ST02. Why ST02? See here, we have given the section indicator. See, if it is ST01, under that, if the SSI1 I have assigned for that, then okay, I have assigned the SSI1 for that, then it should go to the section 1 I have defined. Okay, if ST01 it is not finding the section 1, let us consider. Then if it should go to the ST02 and it should find the section 2, then only it will, sorry, SSI2, then it will go to the section 2, like that I have defined. So that is why it found that ST02 it is means ST01 there is no section. We have given the section check over there. So it is not going to find the section 1 in the ST01. So it is going to the ST02 now. In ST02 it found SSI2. SSI2 means section 2 is there. So that the material is moving to section 2. Now I'll going to what I'll do. I'm going to give the section check for the ST02 as well. I'll go back, go to the ST02 and give the section check here also. Save it. Go to the Okay, here I'll go back again. I'm not going to save it. Again, I'll going to do the following functions, warehouse task. Okay, now I'll going to say create. Which section it will going to take now? Sorry, I wouldn't have done this. Okay, anyway, it will not going to consider any section because could not fully determine the destination data. It will going to say why
Not assign the section. Not assign the section. That's
yes, we have not assigned the section yet. Okay, so I have said, okay, I have defined only ST01 means section 1 it should take, ST02 means section indicator 2 we have given. But I have in the ST02 we haven't defined the section indicator 2. See, for the material master, what section I have assigned here? Material master, I'll go. What section I have assigned here? See here, SSI1 I have assigned, correct no? If I have made it SSI2, which section, which storage type it will going to consider? If I have given SSI2 here, let us consider SSI2, I'll going to go. Which storage type it will go now?
I2, section 2, storage type 2.
Yes, storage type 2 it will go. I'll just save it and we'll going to see that. We're going to see that. Okay. I will just go to the okay, I'll just go back here. I'm not going to save it. Okay, inbound delivery, following functions, warehouse task. If we execute this, it will go to the section 2. Just observe this. Okay, I'll just say create because section 2 is having a section, storage type 2 is having the section 2. This section 2, we have given the indicator SSI2. Okay, if SSI2 is there, then it should go to the section 2 like that we have given. Correct? But now you just see what I will change. I'm going to add the section in the storage type 1. Okay, I'm going to add section 1 here. And I'll just say okay, I have added the section 1 in the storage type 1. Okay, but in the material master, I have given SSI2. Now, which storage type it will go?
The error.
Here you see, if it is ST01, then we need to have the SSI1. If it is ST02, then we need to have the SSI2. Just observe this. It will go to the ST02 only. If you have assigned the section 1 here, but in the product master, we have assigned SSI2. Still, it will going to search for this and it will go here. Okay, we'll just check that. Okay, I'll just go back. Go to the warehouse, following functions, warehouse task. If I'm saying create also, although you have assigned the section 1 there, but the section indicator is SSI2 in the product master. So that it will going to find that product master and it will move to the SSI2 only, section 2 only it will go. Okay, so that is how it will be happening. And now what I'll do, I'll go to the, I'll change it now. See, in the product master, I'll going to change the SSI1. Okay, now definitely it will go into the section 1 and which is there in the ST01, correct now? Okay, I'll just go back and we'll going to see this. Okay, I'll again do the following functions, warehouse task. Okay, if I'm saying create here, it will go to the ST01 and section 1 is already defined here. Okay, that is why it is coming over here. Let us consider I am having section 1 and section 2 in ST01 only. Okay, I am having section 1 and I'm going to maintain some section 2 or for these particular bins. Okay, section 2 I'll give. Okay, see these whatever the bins I have given now, these are taken as section 2 and remaining are section 1 only. Okay, and just save it. Now we are having the section 1 and section 2 in the storage type 1 only. Okay, now what I will do, I will going to give one more search sequence here. Search sequence, how I will going to give? If it is 1100 is the storage type and storage type is ST01, Okay, section indicator SSI1. First, it will going to, okay, first sequence we have given for the section 1. Now I'll going to give the section 2. It will going to take the second sequence automatically. See here, I'll just save this. Once I'm going to go back, observe it very carefully. Okay. See, I'll just take position 1100. First, ST01 is there. Section indicator 1 is there. Okay. Section indicator 1 means first sequence it will going to go for the section 1. If there is no section 1 is empty, okay, sorry, here section 1 it will going to search first. If there is no section 1 is empty, then the sequence 2 I have given for the section 2. Correct? No? I said I have given for the section 2. It will going to search for the section 2 and it will going to move there. If all these things are complete means completely filled means it will going to throw an error. Okay. So what we will do, we'll go to the mass change. Okay, section 1, section 2, where is the section 2 I have given over here? No, let us give them at the final. Okay, for these many things I have assigned the section 2. I'll change it. Section 1 only I'll make it. I'll do it at the final. Okay, some few bins we're going to maintain it, section 2. Okay, from here I'm going to maintain the section 2. Let us consider. Okay, because I want to block the section 1, that is why. Okay, section 2 it is happened. Just save it. Okay, 7 bins I have given the section 2. Now, if I'm bringing the material, okay, if I'm executing this, okay, I'm going back. If I'm bringing the material, which storage type it will take and which storage section it will take.
Section 1 already you blocked, is that?
Just a minute. Hello, password now. Yes. I have not yet blocked the section 1.
Okay, then it is going on section 1.
Yes, exactly. Okay, and just go to the following functions, warehouse task. If I am saying create, okay, it will go to the section 1 only. See, section 1 it will going to take. Now what I'll do, instead of blocking them, I'm going to remove the section 1 from the, what is that, storage type 1. Here. Bus account coming there. 1 minute. Okay, section 2. Apart from the section 2, what I'll do, I'll take all these things, and what I'll do, I'm going to change the storage bin. I'm going to reset the section. Just say, see, section 1 I have removed it. You can only find section 2 here. Got it?
Yeah.
Now where it will go?
Section 2.
Exactly. Okay, storage type 1, section 2 it will go. See, I'm going to go back. Yes, sorry. PRDI. Okay, here if I go to the following functions and warehouse task, and if you say create, it will going to search for the first. It is here what it will going to happen. No, first it is searching for the section 1. Okay, sequence 1 I have given for the section 1. If section 1 it is not at all there, then definitely it will go for the sequence 2, that is section 2. Okay, so that is why I said it will be going to the section 2 like that. Okay, section 1 is not at all there, means it has to go to the section 2 like that. If I have not given the section 2, what it will going to happen? If I have not given the section 2, what it will going to happen?
ST02 section.
No, ST02 it will not
Error.
going to go, because
Error.
in the product master I have not given the SSI2 here.
Yes,
It will
yes,
going to
yes.
throw an error.
Yeah,
Got the concept?
yeah. Mhm.
Storage sections checked. Huh? Now what I will do, I will going to remove the storage section check. Okay. Here. Okay, let them be like this. Okay. What we will do, we will going to assign only section 1 here. For all the storage types, I am assigning the section 1 only. Oh, sorry. I have to come out of that. Okay. Save. Okay. Now I'm not going to maintain it at the warehouse data level. I'm going to remove this. At the warehouse data level, I'm going to remove this. Okay, save it. I am not maintaining at the warehouse level, warehouse data level. Okay, and I'm going to remove it at the storage type level also. This section check is there. Now I'm going to remove it for ST01 as well as for ST02. I have removed it for ST01 and as well as for the ST02. I'm going to remove this storage section check. Okay, just save it. Now, whatever the material you are bringing, we have not having any section indicator in section check. It will just go, okay? Because I have not assigned it in the product master, correct? No, nowhere else product master it is assigned, so it will go anywhere. Now, what we'll do, we can able to take it at the storage type data level as well. Okay, see how we'll going to do it. If ST01 is there, okay, if ST01 is the storage type, then the section indicator is section 1, sorry, SSI1. SSI1 means what? If SSI1 is there, means what? First, it will going to go for the section 1, where we have defined a section here. Okay, if first SSI1 means first it will going to search for the section 1. If section 1 is not there, second it will going to search for the section 2. Got it? Okay, like that. Okay, here if you are not having the section check also in the storage type level, then also it will going to work. Okay, once you have to give this data and say adopt. Okay, it is adopted for this particular material. Okay, for ST01 we have adopted this particular thing. Okay, just save this. Now just search. Okay, what I'll do, I'm going to process this. Now where it will go? Tell me.
Section 1.
Yes, that's it. Okay, because we have assigned the section 1, so it is going. That's it. Okay. Now I'll go into section 1. It is going. Okay. Now I'll going to remove all the sections. Where it will go? I'll just remove all the sections. 1 minute. I go to come out of this.
It will load ST02 and it will search for sequence, next sequence.
ST02 it will go, because I have just in the master, product master, I have given only SSI1. How come it will go to the ST02?
Okay.
Okay, so I will just I'll just remove all the sections. 1 minute. Here, select all, change. I'll say reset. I'll just execute, save it. Go here, follow-on functions, warehouse task. If you say create, it will, okay, why it is going, in which section it is going? There is no section at all. Okay, sorry. Because, correct, he is right. Okay, because we have defined the SSI2 for this. Okay, for the storage type 2, here you can see, for the storage type 2, we have defined the SSI2. And in SSI2, we have shown that it will go to the section 2. Now I'm going to remove the section 2 from the ST02. So then only it will going to stop, no? Or else it will be searching. If ST01 it is not finding anything, definitely it will going to go for the ST02. Correct, no? If you are removing the section also, what it will do? It will going to go for the ST02 only. Because there is no section indicator we have given for the ST02 yet. Am I right? I'll just remove the sections. Okay, if we are removing the sections, then only it will going to throw an error. I'll show you. In ST02, I have to remove the sections. Or else we have to change the section to some other thing. Okay, ST02, just execute. Sorry, just execute. Okay, here I have to remove the sections. Then now where it will go if I'm removing the sections?
Error.
Yes. Okay, save it. Oh, it will not save, I think. Those things I should come out of this. If it is working, it will not going to take. Okay. And check everything. Change. Section reset. Execute. Just save it. Okay. If we are removing the section, then you see, if I'm taking it now, following functions, warehouse task. Okay, I'll just say create. First, it is searching for the ST01. Okay, see, first it is searching for the ST01. I have not yet given the section indicator here. Okay, so if I have given the section check for the material, then only it will going to consider in the material product master. Okay, product master, I have to give the SSI2 also. Okay, that's SSI2 indicator I have not yet given here. If I have given the SSI2, and I'll say adopt this. Okay, SSI2, I am adopting it. Okay, SSI2 means what? It will going to search for only section indicator 2. Okay, section indicator 2. But which storage type we have given? ST01. Okay, I'll just give the ST01 only. Okay, first it will be taking. New one I'm going to say. New one. I'll say ST02. If it is there, then it should go to the section 2. Okay, here I'm going to say and adopt. This time, 1 minute. Storage section indicator section 2 does not see. It is throwing the error here only. Storage section indicator SSI2 I have to do. No, SSI2 I have to do. Okay, just adopt this. Okay, now what I have given? If ST01 is there means it will going to search for the section 1 and section 2. Means I'll just show it here. If ST01 is there means it will going to search for the SSI1. SSI1 sequence 1 is there. SSI1 sequence 2 is there. Sequence 1 will going to search for section 1. Sequence 2 will going to search for the section 2. If SSI2 is there, it will going to search for only one sequence, that is section 2. If it is there, then it will go or else no. Okay, like that I have defined. Earlier I have not given at the product master, then that is why it was taking. Okay, it will going to take here. Okay, that is why it is considering. If there is no section also, it is considering ST02 because in ST01 there is no place. Okay, now I'll just go back. I'm not going to save it. Okay, now you bring it. Okay, it will going to throw an error. Okay, now it will going to throw an error because I have adopted two different sections over there. So if ST01 means here, just observe this. ST01 means first it will going to search for the section 1. If section 1 is not there, it will going to search for the section 2. If section 2 is also not there, ST01 will going to complete. Then it will going to search for the ST02. ST02, it is having only section 2 here. So section indicator 2. Within the section indicator 2, we have assigned only section 2. Correct, no? If section indicator 2 is not available, then it will throw an error. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, here I'll say create. Okay, it is taking. I have not saved it or what? Oh, whether I have saved the product master? I have saved the product master. No? 1 minute. I'll just check it again. It shouldn't take. Okay, it shouldn't take because we have assigned. Should throw an error if there is no section means. See, now it is throwing error. Couldn't fully determine the destination area like that because the section is not determining over there. So that is why it is throwing an error. Let us consider in storage type 2. somewhere else I'm maintaining some section 1. Okay, initially only I'm going to maintain some section 1 for these things. Okay, change storage type, section 1 I'm going to maintain, and I'll save it. See, here I have just defined the where is that? For section 2, only one thing I have maintained, but now I'm going to define one more thing. 1100 storage type 2, section indicator 2. First, it is going to find the section 2. If section 2, if it is not there, then it is going to find the section 1. Like that, I'm going to say save it. Okay, it is taken the second sequence and just open the 1100 for us. Okay, see, if it is ST01, SSI1 is the section 1. First, it is going to search for the section 1. Within the section SSI1, it will going for the section 1 and section 2. Okay. Now ST02 is there. Now first it will going to search for the section 2 first in the ST02. Then it will going to search for the section 1. Got the idea? Now if I am bringing the product, okay, I have changed it now. Now I'll go back. Let's say no. I'm going to bring the product. Where it will go now? Where it will go? Any idea?
You have assigned section 1 and 2 also, no?
No, section 1 only is available in ST02.
Okay. Section 1 is available.
See, in ST02, only these sections are available. Only 3 sections are available and these bins are available. Where it will go?
Then go with section 1.
Yeah, it will go to the section 1 only, no, because we have assigned it here. If it will going to search for the section 2 first. If section 2 is not there, then it will go for the section 1. Okay, I'll just say create here. It is considering, okay, 1 minute, why it is not taking section 1, we have given.
It is not saved.
Saved. I think in the product master, section 1, okay, this one. ST02, okay, ST02 section 2 I have given. This one also I have saved. 1 minute. I have saved this, right? Oh shit, I have not saved this. Okay, so that is why it has given this error. 1 minute. Sorry for that. Okay. Now it should go to the section 1. Actually, I have just changed, but I have not saved. Okay. Okay, say create. It will go for the section 1 now. Okay, see. Got the idea how it will going to happen at the warehouse data level and storage type level. We will going to maintain warehouse data level. If you are maintaining, we have to have the storage section check in the storage type. Okay, whenever we are defining the storage type, we have to maintain the storage section check over there. If we are defining it at the storage type level only in the master data, then storage section check is not required. Okay, we're going to define it just like this. Okay, just like this, we're going to maintain and we're going to execute. Got it now?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what it is about the storage section check. Okay, and tomorrow I'll just assign, okay, section 2 for this. Okay, now I'm just changing the, just have to go back. Tomorrow we're going to see the bin determination. Okay, today it is already time is over. Okay, I'll just say section 2 here for the storage type 2. Save it. Go back. I'm just showing you in front of you so that tomorrow, whatever the activity we're going to do now, that time you can understand, okay, what we are changing and all. Section 1 I'm going to adopt here. Okay, so whenever we're going to change, it will going to show the star mark. Once we're going to save, then only star mark will go. Okay, earlier I have changed, but I have not saved. Okay, that was the error. Okay, so today I think you have understood about the storage section indicator and the check. Okay, tomorrow we're going to look at the bin determination. Okay, and even one more step we're going to go. Based upon the bin type, it will going to search for the whatever the bins it will be taking. Okay, we're going to see how it will going to operate and all. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you are while practicing also, if you are getting any doubts, please do ask me. Okay, I'm available, and you can take any inputs from my end as well. First, initially, if you are discussing, it will be better. Okay, if somebody is understood and he is explaining to someone else, then you only will going to learn. If you are not understanding, please do ask me. We will going to take care. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.